back to my channel. Thank you for being here again, and welcome if you are new. You can join my YouTube family by clicking that fat red button, and if you don't want to miss any of my new videos, click the bell. It's a little bell icon somewhere when you subscribe. Today I'm doing a fawn slash deer slash Bambi cute makeup for Halloween. This is part of my 31 Days of Halloween challenge, so make sure you check my previous videos and the next one coming up tomorrow. Yeah, it's crazy. One makeup a day. I don't know what I was thinking. It's a crazy challenge. This makeup is a super easy one. If you are undecided and you need a makeup at the last minute, it is perfect and it's super cute, so you're not gonna look creepy. It's gonna make you look cute and sexy. So anyway, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. I'm already starting breaking things. Okay, ooh, and I am losing balance. Oh my god. I feel like this makeup is going to be interesting. Okay guys, I am ready, sort of. I gotta get into my character, the character that I'm gonna paint. And today I am turning into a deer, fawn, Bambi. So I don't really know how to get into that, but yeah. The first step for this deer, fawn, Bambi makeup is foundation, but if you have a primer, put on a primer first because it's gonna hold your makeup longer, it's gonna make all the pigments last longer and look better, so yeah, prime. Okay, don't do that, Sarah, ever again. No, I have to try again. Primer. Primer. Okay, no. Okay, primer. And my battery is already almost dead. Awesome. Ooh, I put away. Okay, I feel like this makeup is going to be funny. Okay, not too much, Sarah. You always put too much of that stuff. And now I'm ready to move on to the foundation. Well, there's nothing special about the foundation, just use your foundation. It doesn't have to be brighter or darker, just regular foundation. You can also use powder if you don't like liquid foundation, or you can just put on CC cream or nothing if you don't like to wear anything. But then if you don't like wearing anything, why do you do makeup? I don't know. Foundation. A bit crazy today. I didn't sleep very well. It's been hot. We have had like 2 weeks of a heat wave. We haven't seen this in years and it's super hot and I don't sleep very well. So my brain right now is kind of like burnt. No, not burnt. Frozen? I have no idea. It's kind of not functioning. Okay, anyway, foundation. Okay, next, if your skin tends to be super oily like me, you want to add loose powder to set your foundation and prevent any, I don't know, shiny, greasy looking aspect. If you don't have loose powder, you can use, I guess, a compact powder, but make sure it's either translucent or the same color as your foundation. Otherwise, it's gonna look weird. You're gonna have two different colors on your face. And if you know me, you know I hate loose powder because it makes me cough. My nose is itchy just looking at it. Alright. Here it comes. I hate it. Okay. I wonder how bad it is for your lungs, you know, inhaling all this powder. Can't be very good. Just remove the excess. And now I'm gonna move on. I guess that's how I speak in real life. Now we're going to apply some white to highlight the face and start shaping it into a deer looking face. Sorry. Okay, so because the concealer I used is oily, I'm going to set it with powder and I'm going to use this shade here. Okay, the next step is going to be the contouring and bronzing of the face, and I'm going to use this color here. Okay, I'm done with contouring. Now I want to add a little bit of blush to make this look a little bit cuter. So I'm gonna put on this one. And now let's finish the face with highlights. I will go for, I think, this shade. Okay, now let's do the nose and the lips. I'm gonna clean up my lower lip. Okay, so for the lower lip, I'm going to use a nude liquid lipstick. I'm using my black kajal. It's kind of like kohl, but it's a jumbo crayon, I guess. You can also use black paint, black cream paint, and lipstick if you have one. I thought I had black lipstick, but I don't. Now I'm going to fill in the nose with water-activated paint. And now with black eyeshadow, I'm going to set the paint. Alright, now let's move on to the eye makeup. I'm starting with a white base. And now I'm putting white crayon on my waterline. Now for the crease, I'm going to use this dark brown contouring shadow. Now for the lid, I'm using a light shimmery pink. This one. Now with black eyeshadow, I'm going to darken and define the crease a bit more. I'm gonna smooth the edges with this pink here. Now let's do the bottom lip, the bottom lid. This is a primer, by the way. And now I'm putting white paint on top of the primer. And I will set the paint with shimmery white eyeshadow. And now I'm finishing the eye look with a gray eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eye. And now it's time to glam up a little bit. The last step is going to be all the white dots on my face. I'm gonna use different sizes of brushes and put them randomly on my forehead and on my cheekbones and maybe a little bit on my neck. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, so I want to add a little bit of white dots on my shoulders. I put on foundation and I'm going to highlight here the bones with a holographic powder. Now I'm going to use the same contouring powder that I put on my face and I'm going to bronze my shoulders so I can paint the white dots on them. And that's it. Now I'm going to finish my ears and I will glue them on my headband. For the ears, if you don't want to buy them, if you want to save some money, you can use paper, draw your ears, paint them, or you can even leave them white if you are too lazy, I guess. Or if you like a simple finish, and you just glue them on the headband and it will look super cute. Okay, so this is what the ears look like once they're painted. See, it's very simple. I just used foundation for the base color, and then I added dark and medium dark brown eyeshadow, some concealer for the light shade, and white paint for highlight. I'm now going to glue them on my headband and we will be done. Alright, so here are my ears. I hope I glued them properly. So I'm gonna put them on and we are gonna be finished. Am I not cute like this? Look at this cute little ears. If they're not put properly, you can always move them carefully, like this. I think I'm gonna put them down a little bit if I can. I tried to glue them with my glue stick, like school glue stick, but it didn't work. So in the end I used spirit gum. You want to use spirit gum for this. It glues better. Alright, let's try this again. Yes! This is adorable! Well guys, that's it. No, the train is passing, so... Okay. Well guys, that's it. I'm finished, obviously. I hope you had fun watching this. It was super easy to do, super fun, relaxing actually. It's nice to do a quick and easy makeup for me because I always spend like 10 hours on makeup. I feel so cute that I'm gonna keep the makeup all day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, but I've already said that. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with another crazy Halloween makeup. Bye.